today we're going to be making a maze game in Scratch. So first, let's make a different sprite, and let's delete the cat sprite right here. So we're going to be making a maze game, so we're going to make many lines, like this. And we're just going to try to make a little maze. So just make a simple maze, and you can make it as hard as you want, as easy as you want later. So we made the maze. So we're gonna go back, and we're gonna be making the code now. So we're gonna do one flag click, go to 0, 0. So we're gonna get this block and put 0, 0 on it. So one flag click, go to 0, 0. So now it's at 0, 0. But now we need to make a sprite. So let's make the sprite with this paint. And we're just gonna make a little circle. So you can do whatever you want, but I'm just making a little circle for now. And we're just gonna color it red. So now we made the circle red, and we're gonna make it a little bit smaller because it's kind of too big. So 30 is fine, or maybe 25 is fine. And so we're gonna do one flag clicked, go to this position, and then we're gonna do if block. So if, and we're also gonna do when this key is pressed, it'll move. So we need if right arrow pressed, then move. We're also gonna put these blue blocks in it right here. So if a key's pressed, so if it's the right arrow press, then we're gonna move. Change X by 10. And then we're gonna do a forever loop and a flag loop. So let's see if this works. So you can see it works, but it goes a little bit too far. So we're just gonna do that. We're gonna duplicate this and add it here, and we're gonna do left arrow and do -2. So let's see. So it looks like it's working, but we need a down and up arrow. So how are we gonna do that? Well, we're gonna need to duplicate this again, and then we're gonna make a down arrow, and we're gonna not change the X, but we're gonna change the Y by 2. And then we're gonna duplicate this again, and do an up arrow, and -2. So let's see if this works. So it's kind of mixed up. We're gonna do 2 here, -2 here. So let's do it. So now you can see it works right now. So you can go through things, but if you touch the wall, nothing happens. So we have to do something about that. So we're gonna do if the sprite is so we're going to do sensing, and we're going to be touching if touching color. So we're going to have an if. We're going to go to control, and we're going to get an if. And if touching color black, we're going to get this, and we're going to touch this black line. Good. If touching this black, then go to this position. And we're going to do a forever loop on that. And a flag group on it. Let's see if this is gonna work. Let's see. So if I touch this, oh, it works. So now you have a simple maze game that you can work on and everything, and if you touch the black, then you won't be able to get through.